Okay. So students, we are just going to revise articles today, which we have already done in the beginning. Okay. But आज हम इनको थोड़ा डिटेल में समझेंगे. We are understanding them in a bit detail. Okay. So I want you to raise your hand to read so that I can explain it to you after you read the content. So let me see who raises the hand quickly and I'll unmute them so that they can read the content. Okay, Saloni is the first one. Yes, Saloni, please unmute and read.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening.
Articles are small words that helps us understand nouns in sentences. In English, we mainly use three articles, a and the.
Okay, okay, Saloni, wait. It is English, Lish. Okay, so it is lish. In English, of course, we have mainly three articles: a, and the. Yes, Saloni, continue.
Using a definition, a is an indefinite
Definition.
article.
It is pronounced as definition.
A is an indefinite article. We use it before a singular noun that begins with a consonant sound.
Okay, okay, Saloni, pause. People, everybody, all the students, be very careful. We are talking of consonant sound. Okay, consonant we are talking as in pronunciation sound. तब हम उसमें लगाते हैं a, that is a. We say it as a. Yes, Saloni, continue.
Examples: I saw a dog. Any dog, not a specific one.
Hmm.
She wants a banana.
Hmm. She, it
Tip.
is she. Sh. Say she. बोलो तो Saloni. Sh.
She
It is sh. She.
uh,
आराम से ट्राई
use
करो. नो ट्राई करो.
she
sh.
wants a banana.
She. sh. बोलो.
She
हाँ, correct. Yeah, she.
use a before words that start with consonant sound like B in ball or C in cat.
Okay, perfect. So we have some examples over here. B in ball and C in cat. Very good reading. Perfect. Let me take another person in another slide. Another person here is Hanur. Yes, Hanur, please unmute and read. Unmute करिए. Try to unmute.
Using an definition, an is also an indefinite article.
Sorry.
We use it before a singular noun that begins with a vowel sound.
It is
Example:
vowel sound. Okay, everybody, be careful. It is vowel sound. Yeah. Then,
examples: I would like an apple.
hmm,
He is an engineer.
hmm,
Tip: use an before that start with vowel sound
hmm,
like O in orange
hmm.
or E in elephant.
Okay, so it is and orange. So be careful, we are talking of only sounds. Yes. The other part is, I'll just pick up another student for the other part. And the other part, the other student that I get is Neelam. Yes, Neelam, unmute and read.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, are you there,
Um,
Neelam?
using yeah, ma'am.
Read.
Using the
Hmm.
definition, the is a definite article. We use it when talking about a specific noun that is already known to the listener.
Acha, it is definite. The is a definite article. Okay, जब हम किसी particular चीज की बात करें तो we pronounce it as definite.
Def
Yeah. Then,
okay.
hmm,
Examples: please close the door. A
hmm,
specific door.
hmm.
If I read the book, you gave me a specific book.
Yeah, I read the book you gave me, जो तुमने मुझे दी. तो particular book की बात
Yes,
कर रहे हैं
ma'am.
हम. Something like that. Yes. Then,
Tip: use the when both the speaker and the listener know what is being talked about.
talked about. Very good. Very nice reading. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Then we have, please mute yourself. Okay. Then I'll just take up
Okay.
another slide. And I would pick up another hand. I'm not able to view the hands. Please, you can put your hands down and then raise it again. Your hands are not visible. Okay, yeah, I got that. Got that. Okay. Yes, Ravi, please read.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
When to use each article? Use A when introducing something for the first time. I have a cat.
Yeah, when you're saying it for the
B.
first time. Okay. Oh, a cat. I have a cat. Okay, then.
Use an for words starting with a vowel sound. It was an interesting story.
Was nahi, was. Say was, yeah.
Use the when referring to something specific or already mentioned. The cat is sleeping.
So now we know which cat we are talking about, right? So when we know about it, we use the particular cat. हम किसी particular cat की बात कर रहे हैं. So it is the cat is sleeping. Okay, nice reading, Ravi. Okay. Now let me pick up another person and let me pick up another slide. I hope till here you people have understood. And Saloni's already got a turn. So I'm not picking up Saloni again. I'm just lowering her hand. The next turn is of Fiza. Yes, Fiza.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Common mistakes A versus N. Remember, it's about sound, not just the first letter. A university sounds like university. In R, the H is silent. Overusing the, not every noun needs the. Only use it when the noun is specific.
Yeah, very true. Good reading. Very nice, Fiza. Okay, so what you all have to understand is, you all have to understand it this way. Okay, we are talking of sounds like university. We pronounce it as Y. And that is why we write a. Although it starts with U. U is a vowel. Okay, and HOUR in that particular word, H is silent. We pronounce it as R. And that is why we use an. Okay, so just be careful of the things. Okay, let me pick up another slide. And yeah, I need your hands again so that I can pick somebody to read. Put up your hands, please. Okay, Ravi is already got a turn. Now next person is Kamla. Kamla. Yes, Kamla. Please unmute and read. Are you there, Kamla? Unmute करके read करिए.
Ma'am, my name is Azinkya Gupta.
Sorry, what's your name?
Azinkya Gupta.
Acha, Azinkya, now you can continue reading. Yeah.
Each. Usage. Refer to individual items in a group. Example, each student must submit their project by Friday.
मतलब एक ग्रुप है, समझो. Everyone understand. If there is a group, we are talking about everyone in the group. Okay. For example, each parent in the group should be responsible for their own child. पेरेंट्स का एक ग्रुप है, जैसे ये सैंपल सेंटेंस है, ईच स्टूडेंट मस्ट सबमिट देयर प्रोजेक्ट बाय फ्राइडे. तो हर एक स्टूडेंट को सबमिट करना है. देयर आर ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. सो व्हेन वी टॉक ऑफ ईच, we are talking of every person, we are talking of individual. Okay, whosoever is in that particular group. इस तरह से हम each को यूज करते हैं. चलिए मैसेज बॉक्स में लिखिए तो वन सेंटेंस विथ each से सेंटेंस बनाइए तो लेट मी सी व्हाट यू मेक. आई एम गिविंग यू टाइम. मैसेज बॉक्स में सेंटेंस बनाइए. चलिए, पुट द सेंटेंस इन द मैसेज बॉक्स. You have to make a sentence with each. Each of my friends is going to Dubai. Okay, I got the first one from Saloni that says each person have to do this work. Okay, Each and everybody come inside. Each and everybody come inside. Full stop missing है. Each patient will be okay. That's great. Okay, I'll try a little of each. Okay. Each box is fine. चलिए. I'm moving on to the next one. Next word I pick up. Here I go with the next one. These are some sample sentences. So who was reading? Please read. कौन read कर रहा था? पढ़िए. Azankya, read. I think she's moved out, it looks like. Okay, now let me open mic of Shefali. Yes, Shefali. Please read. Okay, Shefali is not here, it seems. She is not looking forward to read. In that case, I would pick up Muniroy. Yes, please read. Quickly read, please.
Hello, ma'am.
Hanji.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening.
Each child received a gift at the party. I want each student to participate in the discussion.
Okay.
Each book on the shelf has its own unique story. The teacher praised each student for
Praised
praised
each student.
praised each students for their effort. Please check each box for any missing items.
Yeah. Now you have to practice little more. Okay, proper pronunciation, proper flow. ये sentence है तो आपको sentence की जैसे पढ़ना है. Okay. Okay, now
Yes,
let me pick another student who would read the same content, but in a good way. Okay, I have Shefali. If you are back, I'm unmuting you. अगर आप हो तो.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening. Start again, please.
Each child received a gift at the party. I want each student to participate in the discussion.
It is not want, it is want. I want each student. बोलो, वापस बोलो.
I want each student to participate in the discussion.
Very good. Yeah.
Each book on the shelf has its own unique story.
Okay.
The teacher praised each student for the effort.
Okay.
Please check each box for any missing items.
Very nice. Yes. Good. Good reading. I hope people you have understood the use of each. Each का मतलब आप समझ गए सब. Okay. It is about individual thing, individual book. Okay. And it is about one thing in a group. That is how we use the word each. Okay. Moving on to the other. I have every. Every का मतलब क्या होता है people? Everything collectively. We are talking of all together. Every collectively. And let me see some new hands coming up. This person has read. Shefali has read. Ravi has read. This girl has read. Where are my new hands? Kinjal. Yes, Kinjal, please read.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening.
Every usage refers to all items in a group collectively, emphasizing totality. Example, every member of the team contributed to the report.
Every member of the team. Every मतलब everybody. और each मतलब individual. Okay. Chalo, let me just give you some more sentences. Okay, and here they are. Please read. Where is the girl gone? Kinjal कहाँ चले गए? Okay, chalo. If she's gone, let me pick up a new one. I have a new person. Yes, Mehak. Yes, Mehak, please read. Mehak, are you able to unmute? Unmute करिए.
Hello.
हाँ जी.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good
Am I
evening.
audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Uh, Every employee is required to attend.
Come closer to the phone. You're not clearly
Yes,
audible.
ma'am.
थोड़ा पास में आके loudly बोलिए.
Ma'am, on the report, not audible loudly.
Yeah.
Just a second, I'll be there in the network. Am I loud enough now?
Yeah, you're loud enough. Please read
Am I loud
from the
enough
beginning.
now?
Read from the
Yeah.
beginning. Yes.
Yeah, sure. Every employee is required to attend the meeting. We visit our grandparents every summer. Every team member plays an important role in our success. She reads a new book every month. Just a minute, ma'am.
Then every child deserves
Every
a
child
chance.
deserves a chance to succeed.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Nice. Nice reading. You are from which place? Which city?
Thanks,
Which
ma'am.
state?
Ma'am, Pune.
Okay, you're from Pune. That's great. Okay.
Yes.
You can mute yourself. And I would invite
Yes,
Priya.
thanks, ma'am.
Priya, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, Priya. I'll just change the page.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we are looking at trying to understand either. We also pronounce it as either. Either or we say either. Yes, please read.
Okay, ma'am. Usage refer to one of two options. Example, you can choose either the chocolate cake or the vanilla ice cream.
Yeah. So anyone. You can pick up any one. So when you have choice, you take this or you take that. उस वक्त हम use करते हैं either. Very nice. Yes.
Okay.
So I'll just show you few more sentences for all of you. Yeah. Please read. Where is that girl gone? Okay, Priya, I'm unmuting you again. Where are you lost, Priya? I'm not getting you. Okay. In that case, let me pick up another person. A new person if I want. And it says Zeal's iPhone. Yeah, Zeal? Unmute करके read करिए.
Yeah, hi. Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening.
So it's either
Hmm.
you either have tea or coffee with your breakfast.
Hmm.
Either option will work for our needs.
Hmm.
We can either watch a movie, one sec, or go for a
Go for a
walk.
walk.
You should either call her or send a message.
Okay.
Either stay at home or join us for dinner.
That's nice. Lovely reading. People, I hope you all are understanding. I hope you people are getting what we are trying to tell. And I'm just trying to show you the different usage of the given vocabulary, given words. Okay, moving on to the next part. It is neither, or we also say it as neither. Neither, neither, both are correct. Now let me see who is the one who will be reading it. And I want to pick up a new student. People, there are so many new people. और यू आर नॉट रेजिंग हैंड, तो फिर मैं बीच में किसी को भी ले लूंगी अब. अगर आप हैंड रेज नहीं करोगे, और जिन्होंने प्लीज बोल दिया हैंड रेज मत करो, अदरवाइज जिनको बोलना नहीं है ना वो तो बैठे रहेंगे, वो नहीं बोलेंगे. ओ आई गॉट अ न्यू हैंड दैट सेज Sarupa. Yes, Sarupa, please read. Unmute and read.
Yes, ma'am.
And here is your content. Yeah.
Neither reference to not one or the other of two options. Example, neither option seems appealing to me.
Yeah, means I neither want tea nor coffee. Okay, I don't want anything. When you have two options and when you don't want anything, you say it as neither. Okay, next. And here is the next content coming up for you. Yeah, please read.
Neither the red dress nor the blue one fits me. I
Okay.
want to neither the two suggestion you made. Neither option is suitable for our budget. Neither my brother nor my sister like social. We have neither time nor resource to complete the project.
Okay, perfect. I hope you are getting a clear picture, everyone. Neither is the word that you use when you do not want to opt for any of the two options. Okay, neither my brother nor me nor my sister likes sushi. Now that is one of the eatable dish. Okay, it is something about eating, eatable dish. Okay, moving on to the next one. However, and let me see who will be speaking about however. Yes, of course. Aradhya, please speak. Aradhya is there? Can you unmute Aradhya?
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening.
Usage used to introduce a contrast or expression. Example, it was raining. However, with we decided to go for a hike.
Okay. Now let me give you some more sentences. However is a reason word. Okay, you're giving however, whatever difficulty. It's about talking anything. Okay.
Okay.
Here are the sentences. Please read.
The weather was terrible. However, we went for a hike.
Okay. Instead, the weather was terrible. Still we went. Yeah, she studied hard.
She studied hard, however, she did not pass the exam. The book was long, however, it was very engaging.
Okay.
The book was long, however, it was very engaging. He is an excellent player, however, his team did not win. I enjoy painting. However, I have not done it in a while.
Okay. So I'll put this recording on the website today itself in the channel. You people can have a watch, revise. As of now, quickly I'm picking up the next part. Any confusion you can ask me after you revise it from the channel. Here is the next part coming up for you. And this would be read by, let me see whose hand is a new one, who's not got it on. And here it is, Sheetal. Yes, Sheetal, please unmute.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening, Sheetal.
Moreover, uses used to add information or reinforce a point. Example, the project was completed ahead of schedule. Moreover, it was under budget.
Moving on to the next part. Moreover मतलब add-ons. आपको एक benefit तो मिल ही रहा है, उसके साथ दूसरा benefit. Here are the sentences. Please read. Sheetal.
The project was a success. Moreover, it exceeded our expectations.
Yeah.
She is talented in music. Moreover, she excels in academics.
It is she. SH. Sure. Okay. SH
Sure.
together is sure. She.
She. The weather was perfect. Moreover, the venue was stunning.
Yeah.
He is a great cook. Moreover, he loves to host dinner parties. The study was comprehensive. Moreover, it provided valuable insights.
Okay. Perfect. Now let me see who has another page for speaking and let me see what is coming up next. Idioms time. Okay. So it is time for idiom for all of us. Before we pick the idiom, I just want to know how many of you are actually revising idioms. How many of you do you think you people are actually revising the idioms? आप यूज कर रहे हो idioms को? कहाँ यूज कर रहे हो बताइए. Do you want to share? Anybody would like to talk about where they are using the word idioms? आप कहाँ यूज कर रहे हो idioms बताओ, बताना चाहोगे कोई? Do I open your mic for that? Anybody who would raise hand, I'll open your mic for that. Okay. There are three hands up here. That one is of Sheetal, one is of it says Sarupa. I hope you want to talk about idioms. If you don't want to talk, put your hands down. Okay. Then I have Pooja. Pooja, you want to talk about idioms? Okay. Yeah. Tell me, Pooja. Unmute करके बोलिए पूजा. I don't know. Vinisa is there. Okay. Yeah, Vinisa, please unmute and speak.
Ma'am, I use idioms when someone asks me about weather, like it is very heavy, and so I said there is cats and dogs raining.
Very good. Yes. When it is a heavy rain, you say cats and dog raining. Very good. और कहाँ use करते हो विनीसा?
And if it is exams were very easy, I said exams were a piece of cake.
Oh wow, that's interesting. That's really nice. Great. Okay, Vinisa. So people, आपको वैसे idioms याद नहीं आएंगे. आपको कुछ ऐसे situations करने पड़ेंगे arise where you can speak some good idioms. चलिए, let me take you towards today's idiom. And today what we are going to do is set the record straight. Set the record straight का मतलब होता है to clarify. Okay? किसी चीज को justify करना, किसी चीज को clarify करना. That is set the record straight. In order to set the record straight, the umpires checked the camera to review the previous shot. Okay? जब क्रिकेट खेलते हैं तो एम्पायर्स होते हैं, उनको अगर कंफ्यूजन हो तो वो क्या करते हैं? They see the recording, right? So to set the record straight, here is the sample. Moving on to the next idiom for today, it says, not my cup of tea. Not my cup of tea means not something that a person would do. Okay, not my cup of tea. जब आपको कुछ करना नहीं हो, you don't want to do or you're not able to do something. Okay, either you don't want to do or you're not able to do something. That time you say it is not my cup of tea. For example, cooking has never been Mina's cup of tea. मतलब मीना ने कभी कुकिंग करी है नहीं. The person has not cooked. Okay, so she does not do any cooking. She does not like cooking. Fine. चलिए. Let me quickly move on. Here are some topics, if at all you want to speak. And there are around 45 people as of now with me. You can raise your hand if you want to talk about the advertisement or talk about a creative person you know. Remember everyone, it is a 2-minute talk. मैं timer on करूँगी. You have to talk for 2 minutes. Okay? It is a 2-minute talk. And here I go with the timer. Just a minute. And here I pick up the student. There are 2 hands. Only 2 hands. What about others? Try to karo. Okay, I have Munira. Munira, I'm unmuting you. Chalo, unmute karo. And yes, Munira. So you're
Yes.
from which city? Which place?
Ma'am, Indore. Indore is
Okay.
India's cleanest city.
Yeah, perfect, perfect. Now these days Ahmedabad is also one of it.
Yes, ma'am.
I just read in the newspaper a few days back. Okay,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
topic do you want to speak on, Munira?
Ma'am, what is advertisement?
So it is, the topic is advertisement.
Advertisement,
Yeah,
okay.
and you have to speak about these 4 questions, 4 statements. And your 2-minute starts now.
Advertisement is a source of marketing our products to show our new products, and we are marketing, and advertising is a good thing to reach new people and new sources of our business. And types of advertisement is, I think, is the social media and newspapers. We can add many thing of newspaper and social media. This time is this world now social media world, I think. And advantage of advertising is uh, uh, advantage, it is a more advantage of advertising, because if we launch our product, if we have a product but no one can know about our product, so how can we reach people and sell our product? So this is a thing, this is a thing of advantage of advertising. We can promote our product and sell our product to a new market and new people. And we can we can set a brand value of our product by advertising. And it is a good thing to we reach globally, in India and outside. We can't promote.
Okay, okay, very nice, very nice. So you continued your proper, informative talk for 2 minutes. That's really very nice. Very good.
Thank you,
Keep
ma'am.
it up. Very good. Okay, now let me see another person whom I can pick up, a new hand, the one who's not spoken. And that is, I think, to pick up Neelam. Yes, Neelam, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I want to
Neelam,
talk about a creative person.
you want to talk about a creative person, which is your city and
Yes,
state?
please. Ma'am, I'm from New Delhi.
New Delhi. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, you can start. Your 2 minutes starts now.
The creative person I want to talk about is Mrs. Rekha Kukreja. She is one of the leading members of Envy Showcase. She is at the position of double diamond. I joined this group just because of her. I knew her personally. She is one of my relatives and she is doing very nice in the company. She achieved the post double diamond and she is doing a great deal. Everyone, including MIMS sir, always talk about her when he joins the meeting. I want to be just like her. She mm, she is very dedicated and she tries to make her best to uh, put the company at height. Whatever Anvi Shopee is, she is doing a great deal to reach that position. I also want to be just like her. I am trying my level best to also participate in the company uh, promotion and trying to achieve my best. Thank you.
Okay, that's really nice. I think you have few more minutes, seconds. I think you just had 6 seconds left, but it's okay. Chalo, I pause it for you. Nice talk, very good.
Thank you.
But you have to be a little
Thank
more
you.
descriptive about, her nature and lot of other things. Creative person means you have to talk all her skills. But yeah, you tried very nicely. Good, good work.
Thank you.
Okay, now let me pick up another person who would really love to talk, and I have very few hands here. I feel like picking up everybody. Let me pick up everybody unknowingly. If you don't, you raise your hand, I will pick up. For example, I have a person over here named Sashi. Sashi, please speak. I'm unmuting you. Give me a talk of 2 minutes. Come on.
Uh, okay, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Okay, I am मैं वाराणसी से हूँ.
Okay, रांची से हुआ. That's okay. Yeah. बोलिए.
Advantage of नहीं type of advertisement.
Hmm.
Okay, I know that type of advertisement, digital or pamphlet and mouth.
Yeah, go on. I'm
Uh,
listening. Your time is started.
okay. Oh, when I join NV Shopee, then I know that की full marketing. नहीं आ रहा समझ.
आराम से ट्राई करो. टॉक अबाउट एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स. कैसे कितने होते हैं? फॉर एग्जांपल डिजिटल हो गया, न्यूज़पेपर
Digital,
एडवर्ट हो गया, है ना?
mouth.
फिर मोबाइल एड्स हो गए, स्क्रॉलिंग वाले. ओके,
Yes.
उसके एडवांटेजेस क्या है बताइए?
Advantages ये कि
इट इंक्रीजेस बिजनेस. और क्या है बताइए?
increases business and I don't make sentence.
बिकॉज you're not recording, you're not practicing. चलिए कोई बात नहीं. कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग. ठीक है, कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग इफ यू रियली वांट टू पिक अप. ओके, प्लीज म्यूट योर सेल्फ. म्यूट कर लीजिए अपने को. And
Okay,
now I'll
thank
just
you.
pick up somebody again who is just a very quiet student, that is Payal. Payal, please unmute yourself. I have Payal here with me in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Payal, you are from which city, which state?
I'm from Vadodara city.
Okay, chalo, which topic you want to talk on?
Mm,
Which topic do you want to talk on, Payal?
I'm clearly not speaking to have
No, you
able to
try.
speak.
No, see, everybody is a learner here. Just try. Try whatever you can. See, the person who came before you also tried, no? If you don't try, how will you speak? Whatever topic you want, just give me 4, 5 sentences. Come on. Are you there?
Yes,
Yes, come on, Payal. Quickly, come on.
joining now.
Which topic you want to speak on?
Talk about a creative person.
Okay. Your time starts now.
Abdul Kalam is a creative person. He built his empowerment for India. Abdul Kalam was the launch satellite, first satellite, and first satellite in year I am not remembering, but he launched first. He launched Agnipankh, and Abdul Kalam was a creative personality for our nation. Hello.
Yeah, I'm there listening. Yeah, tell
Okay.
me. Of course, he was then.
Abdul Kalam is a Prime Minister of India, first Prime Minister of India.
You have 20 seconds left. Go on.
Abdul Kalam was a scientist and physicist also, and he launched her satellite, but many satellite was not launched first, but
Very nice.
but
See, very good.
on
Very good.
satellite,
Okay, you can
but
stop. You
on
can stop. So, how are you
oh,
feeling, Payal? You are feeling happy after talking so much?
yes, happy.
Hannah? So, you should practice. Even in the
Okay.
house, do lot of recording, do lot of practice. Okay?
Okay.
When you practice, you will speak. See, everybody knows English, but they don't speak because they don't practice.
Yeah.
Great. Nice talk. Yeah, there were mistakes, but yeah, it is okay. It's okay to make mistakes and learn. Now, let me see who I would pick up next. I have a student named Madhu Rani. Yeah, Madhu, please unmute quickly. Come on. I have a person named over here in the class, Madhu Rani. Quickly unmute. Come on.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening. You are from which city, which state?
Ma'am, I am from Uttar Pradesh, Saharanpur city.
Which topic do you want to talk on?
Ma'am, I want to talk about
Hurry up, hurry up. There are two topics in front of you. Jaldi.
ma'am, I want to talk about Virat Kohli, a cricketer.
Okay.
Ma'am, Virat Kohli is a famous cricketer in India. He will make their career very well and make many centuries, which
He made his
make
career. Okay, it is his.
yes,
He made
ma'am,
his career very well. Okay.
very well
Hmm. And
make many centuries,
Hmm.
which take them a popular cricketer in India or in a foreign countries, and in all his cricket career he play a many matches like a normal or a
Normally, so you can say 1 day, 20 days, World Cup,
World
T20,
Cup
all these he's played.
and
Yeah.
T20
Then go on.
also.
Hmm. You have 40 seconds. Hurry up quickly.
He also made many ads in a and in his all career he make a up around 50 20 50 plus centuries, which take them to a world highest and popular cricketer. And
So
he
how
is
do you think
also
he is creative? How do you think he is creative? How do you think what skills is he having?
he's having a skills like he is good, he makes ad and we all see that he is
Very nice. See, you picked up the proper time. Very good. See, this is how all of you should be practicing. Okay, all of you should be practicing this way. Fine. Now I am pausing the session here. I don't know what I have for you people next. Just a minute. Okay, it's bye for today. I just come back, stop sharing the screen, and I also say everyone a bye for today. We will again meet tomorrow, 8 o'clock. In the meantime, please do revision. Okay, go to the channel, revise. This content I also am putting on the channel today before I end up the day. Okay. And yes, of course, revision is the only thing. Quickly revise. Okay. And I have given the book over here. All of you should read. Fine. As of now, bye everyone. Good night.